My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker review, early review. Sorry, I almost got like, forget about it. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so we back. I actually just got back in town. I was in Miami. My brother has never been to Miami, so I wanted to take him. And it was a movie. It was a movie. I wish I would have really did vlog, but like I told y'all in previous videos, I don't really vlog when I travel, because I feel like that takes away from the actual traveling aspect of it. So went to Miami, had fun. It ended kind of bad. Our flight got canceled. Spirit, just the worst airline, and I had to stay an extra day, which wound up being good because I wound up flying to Atlanta, and then just spending the day in Atlanta. So it was good. So he went back home though. But anyway, enough about this. Early review. I am very, very excited about this because I've been waiting for this shoe. I know y'all have been too. So let's go get this early review, and I'll be back after to give y'all some information about it. So stay tuned. Okay. You see we got the Kobe box, and right off back you see the scales. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm loving this. Gold Kobe signature in the center, but these scales are really detailed. I like that. It's not the typical black Kobe box like we always get. Scales all around it. I like this box a lot. I like it's different. I like it. See the gold Kobe logo right there. And let's get to the label. Kobe 8 Protro, multi-color, size 9.5. You know what I mean. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, open the box, and we got this Kobe scale with the logo wrapping paper right here. Like that. Nice little touch. White paper under it. And all right, ooh, there we go. A little preview. All right, let's get the shoe out. Both of them out. Man, this shoe is definitely anticipated. I think a lot of people was looking forward to this shoe. So we're gonna see how it do. But you know how Kobe's are. Kobe's always do pretty good numbers. Well, the good ones, the ones that matter. So without further ado, we got the Kobe 8. Let me get out of the way. Kobe 8 Protro. What is it called? What the? Boom. Okay, like this is size 9.5, so it's not a personal pair, but I will be getting these shoes. I just wanted to say that right there. All right, so look what we got. We got the scales on the first thing that caught my mind was a scaly orange Nike swoosh. Come with 2 laces, as you can see. I would not use either one of these. They got these dark greens, spotted ones, and these light green with red spot. They look like they go to the Grinches. Got the blue spotted laces, KB24 right there in the center, like that. Nike on the back. I think that is 3M too, like with a flash, it like shines a little bit. Kobe signature right here in the back, and that orange. So many different colors. It is a lot going on. I'm not gonna lie, but somehow, some way, they make it work. And on the other shoe, we got this orange and green, that highlighter right there. So I think that on this shoe, this is more like the lighter colors, like the ones that really pop out. I like that teal, that green teal. I like that color. This one says Kobe on the little lace lock thing. On the other shoe is more like the darker colors, like the ocean blue, stuff like that. So, I mean, it gives you the best of both worlds, light and dark. I mean, that's my 2 cents about it. Nike swoosh on this was that highlight yellow also. And the Nike signature, Kobe Bryant signature, excuse me, is that too. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I just like it. Like, it is everything that's good. Like, I don't know what you would wear with this, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a thumbnail. I think that's gonna be the thumbnail, but I'm pretty sure people gonna make it work. And these are some of the best Kobe's that ever came out. So, all right, man, let's get back to the spot so I can give y'all some real information like release date and retail price and all that good stuff. But what y'all think about it? Last look. These are fire. I don't care what it say. Okay. We back. Hope y'all enjoyed that first look, early sneaker review of the Kobe 8 Protro. What the? Got some information for y'all. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Hold on, let me pull it up real quick so y'all can read along with me. All right, it'll be up in 2, 1. Boom, should be up with me right now next to me. It reads, Nike Kobe 8 Protro, what the returns for Mama Day 2025 with matching apparel. I kind of like those shorts, I'm not gonna lie. The hoodie, not so much. I do like those shorts. Nike is set to make Mama Day 2025 one to remember with the return of the Nike Kobe 8 Protro alongside a bold apparel and accessories collecting that celebrates, Kobe Bryant's iconic career and legacy. Originally launched in 2013, the Kobe 8 combines nearly 30 colorways from the silhouette's history into one pair, creating a wild mismatched masterpiece. The left shoe features vibrant blue and purple tones, while the right shoe is dominated by fiery red, orange, and green, highlighting Kobe's diverse design journey. To complement the sneakers, Nike is releasing a full Kobe apparel collection. Y'all's gonna excuse the little notification. That's my Pokemon, my Pokemon catcher, the one that catches things for me, so I don't have to like manually catch it. Yeah, like the auto catcher is going on right now. So excuse the little notifications popping on the screen. Where was that? Each piece mirrors the patchwork found on the shoes, tying the collection together visually. Release date is April 13th. That is next week. Cause I think today's the 1st. Happy April Fool's Day to everybody. It's not an April Fool's Day joke, but yeah. Honoring the date of Kobe's final NBA game in 2016, expected to be available on sneakers, selected NBA retailers. Boom. Retail price is $190, and yeah. So back in the day, I didn't even know that. So it looks like that, kind of like that's 3M. The Nike 3M. That's dope. I didn't even know that. So back in the day, what this was all the rage. Like it was what the LeBrons, with the Kobe's. I think KD came out with a pair. I'm not too sure, but they was all the rage. Let me end this. And everybody was going crazy for what this. I still got a couple of my what the LeBrons, whatever like that. I never had owned this pair of the what the Kobe's, but I definitely want a pair. I like it. I mean, I don't know how you would match it unless you had those shorts. Like, I'm talking about with a regular fit, but I know a lot of people in my comments already going to be like, oh, they're basketball shoes. You're not supposed to rock them anyway. Whatever. You're not supposed to casually rock them. Wear what you like. Whatever. Buy what you like. Wear what you like. But yeah, April 13th, $190. The Kobe 8 Protros, is this a copper drop for y'all? Was y'all able to get the first pair that came out? I was not. So this is gonna be a first pair for me. So definitely copping it. I'm on the fence about maybe 2 pair. I might double up. I don't know. But I don't really need 2 pair, but I might. I don't know. Like I said, so far the only shoe that I really want to double up on is the white cement Force, which drop in May, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from your host, Tune, aka Favorite Sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.